you should allow Mbatuk to appear before this committee. The issues that are being raised are very weighty, and it cannot go through a second hand before it gets to this committee. We strongly feel that Mbatuk should appear before this committee. There's absolutely nothing unprocedural about it. Ministry of Foreign Affairs will have raised an issue if they felt that Mbatuk should not have appeared. Ministry of Foreign Affairs is aware that we have written to you inviting Mbatuk. They have not raised an objection. I did mention at the beginning of this meeting that I personally met the High Commissioner with the Defense Attaché, the British High Commissioner, the British Defense Attaché, in my office in KICC, and they did confirm to me that they are willing, ready, and available to appear before this committee when and if summoned.
So, and I would like to respond to one of the members who had said, I'm not holding brief for Mbatuk. I cannot, Honorable Chair. I cannot. I cannot hold brief for Mbatuk. I'm an officer of government of Kenya. You know, my salary is paid by Kenyans, Honorable Chair. So it's just that within the offices we hold, we try at least to interpret what we see, you know, and that was our essence. So do we want to be a block to Mbatuk appear here? No, capital no. Do we in any way hold brief for Mbatuk? No. Are we in any way, Chairman, trying to stop what you are doing? If it ever came like that, I would like to categorically say, as a Principal Secretary on behalf of the Cabinet Secretary or Minister of Defense, that was not our intention. It is not our intention.